In this video, we'll look at alternating between two autoplay patterns within one chord sequence. We'll do this in the key of F major, using a 1-5-6-4 chord progression. It's possible to do this in one take using two hands, but it is somewhat difficult. In this example, I'm using autoplay pattern 2 on the F and D minor chords, and autoplay pattern 3 on the C and B flat chords. However, if we return to track view, we can duplicate our bass. This allows us to use the first bass track for autoplay pattern 2 with the F and D minor, and the second bass track for the C and B flat with autoplay pattern 3. In the first track, I'll record the F and D minor chords using autoplay pattern 2, remembering to tap at the end of each chord to stop it playing. In this example, F is played on bars 1 and 2, and D minor on bars 5 and 6. On the second track, I'll record the C and B flat chords using autoplay pattern 3. C is played at bars 3 and 4, and B flat at bars 7 and 8. We can now edit both tracks to merge them into one. At bar 3, tap on the waveform and select split, then swipe downwards to cut at this point. Repeat this process at bars 5 and 7. Delete the blank sections and then drag the remaining sections upwards to form one track and fill the gaps. I've also now added a melody. In the gaps in the melodic phrases, we can clearly hear the change from one autoplay pattern to the other.